Welcome to today's daily recap. It is October 28th. Let's just jump into it. We'll look at GJ, Gold, EG, and GA. What were the moves? So what happened on GJ was GJ. We talked about this 4-hour level. To break down, price would have to break past this area where it wasn't breaking, and then continue down, and we could end up at these wicks over here. That is exactly what happened. Let's check it out. In Asian, we saw price break through this area, consolidated bit, broke through, right? And essentially it went, if we extend this level out, 1 second. Essentially this was a level here, right? And it broke past that, right? So it broke past this level here. I'm just gonna move it back down. I adjusted this in pre-London because price, you see what price did here? Price kind of consolidated. Most recent price action consolidated, and then price pushed down to 135.9, rejected it in pre-London, and then pushed up. So this push up, although it looked like market was, you may think that found support, maybe liquidity, and was trying to push up, it would have to break past these highs, right, in order to push up. So this was just a liquidity grab, and you can really see it in the lower time frames of how price found active support in the lower time frame, but that doesn't mean that it's reversing, right? These candles don't mean it's reversing unless we got some like massive move and then market structure change. It's not reversing. What we saw happen was, if you go on the lower time frame, price pulled up exactly to the most recent zone that we had drawn, and as you can see, as soon as we pulled up, market consolidated for a little, created a high, right? Created a lower high, and then created a lower high. And then once we broke past this, created another lower high, right? And then we went and made a new low, right? So you see how clear that is? Best entry would have been at any of these lower high right here, this one, or even this one. This one happened, they both happened after the 1 hour, the hour candle before London open. So that's that. Let's just zoom out and check how many pips were up for grab for that move. So this is a super clean move. This is probably one of the cleanest moves of the week. Oops, man, why is this trading we do this? Anybody know? Like every time you used to click one of these, trading would go back to the cursor, but now it just stays on it. So I end up fucking double clicking every time. Okay, so 130. I was aiming for this. I just could have gone more. 135 was nicely hit, but 4 was good. 130, so stop loss should have been up there. Proper 1 to 5, 1 to 6 almost. This is a very good trade. This is a super good trade. Other than that, let's check out gold. Gold. So look what gold did. So we had this from before, right? We talked about yesterday how price pulled up to this area where this price consolidated below this accumulation top, rejected it, went down, what was it, 130 pips, okay? And then came back up in like end of New York yesterday, rejected it, okay, and then consolidated. And then in pre-London, price pulled up again, okay? And what did price do when price pulled up again? Unable to break for the third time in a day. Created a high, perfect entry, consolidated when broke down, consolidated and created a lower high, kept going. New York open right here. Price broke the area. We got a retest, and then price continued down to 77.5, or what was it, 74? 74 was our level, sorry. And yeah, there was this was amazing. But this was perfect sells. This is 5 minutes, okay? And if you look at 1 minute, 1 minute's even more clear. Price pulled up to a higher time frame zone, consolidated, broke down, right? Broke down, consolidated, broke, impulsive break. See, structure is now shifting. Structure shifted, lower time frame structure shifted, and then New York open, we got retest here, and then continue down. Just by New York open to here in a matter of half an hour, this was 130 pips. That would have been safe. This is even better. Okay, Euro JPY, GBP, sorry. Euro GBP, we had this hourly support right over here. So look what happens. Price came down to it exactly at 2 a.m. Eastern, so 2 hours before London open, pre-London. 2 a.m. Eastern right now because Europe's gone back in time, daylight savings. North America hasn't. So just for this week, right, London's been at 4 a.m. Eastern. So got rejection right at this level that we had for weeks. Okay, came back, created a double bottom, right? Pushed up, higher low after breaking through this market structure, right? And then once we broke through this market structure, got another confirmation of a higher low, and then more higher lows. Yeah, so you see these structures just break, and then when we broke past this structure, got another higher low, right? So you see what's happening, and then price. This is perfect. This was perfect. This is another high quality move. And then price pushed up 50 pips up here. That's all it all pushed up to like 60, but 50 is all we need, 45, 50, right? So that was your best entry would have been this area right here. Okay, this area right at the top of it. GBP AUD. Okay, what I was expecting GBP AUD to do. So I had sorry, my fucking computer's being a little slow. So I had this consolidation box here. Okay, and essentially right there, price need to break below here 4 hour to continue down to this level. That's what I had. See how it tried breaking, but it didn't. It's a 4 hour consolidation, so 4 hour candle has to break. Okay, 1 hour broke it, didn't, and then look what happened. Pushed up, price pushed up heavy. Okay, pushed up what, like 70 pips, came back down, pushed a bit lower. So this wasn't clean. This wasn't clean price action, but was this near a bit like pre-London, 45 minutes after, sorry, not pre-London open, push price back up, price retested. This would have been good buy opportunities, okay? And then let's say you saw price come back up here. So you knew that once it was essentially looking to create a higher low, either side, it broke out of consolidation, it would push through that side. But look what happened. So price just broke past here, retested further in New York open pre-London, and then pushed up to the next level. Just from here to there is 100 pips. This would have been a clean trade. This would have been safe buys. This would have been a bit more aggressive, but these are safe nonetheless when you know what you're looking for. Okay. Anyways, thanks for watching. Let's just check this on high time. See how it's just a higher low. I'll stop now. If price can remain up here, maybe it'll push down further for a higher low before continuing up to this range, or price may just do something like this and then continue on, right? We'll see. Okay, it's just Wednesday. All right, enjoy. Have a good day.